Hi, this is Ankur here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Technical Analysis, the Unbiased View. So today's video going to be special video. Reason being, I'm going to share three different trades with all of you. One will be the stock for tomorrow or week. One will be the stock for the investment opportunity where you can expect 18 to 20% return on upside if it gives us the right breakout. And there is an index, Bank Nifty. So without wasting much time, let's start with Bharti Airtel. This is a daily chart of Bharti Airtel in front of you. As you can see, Bharti Airtel made a high of 622 and then it sloped and it started a sideways journey. It started a good sideways journey from 2nd of March onwards till date. And the sideways journey is divided into three parts. So the upper range of the sideways journey was 550 to 535. The current sideways journey and the longest sideways journey for Bharti Airtel is 515 to 535, and it gave a breakdown which is a spring between 500 to 516. So it's a very clear cut values in Bharti Airtel that Bharti Airtel is on a sideways journey since many weeks between 516 to 535 majorly. The 70-80% of the sideways journey is between 516 to 535, and there were some days where it tried trading between 535 to 550 and 550 to 516, but the 80% of the sideways journey lies between 516 to 535. Now why I'm discussing Bharti Airtel today again, as we have discussed in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Amara Batteries, ACC, Aurobindo Pharma, today again we are getting the similar opportunity of this intersection, correct? Now in case tomorrow if Bharti Airtel opens above 535 and till 925 it is the open equal to low, if open is equal to low, the resistance for the rejection of Bharti Airtel is 550. Now resistance for the rejection of 550, we are having a multiple reasons for that. One is the price action. As you can see, there is a rejection, right? There is a rejection here, then there is a rejection here, right? Then there is a rejection here also. So Bharti Airtel rejection is at 550. Now, another reason to back what we're looking at the chart is an option chain. This currently month contract, which is expiring on 29th of April, just 2 days, and next month, the highest open interest and the highest call rating is at 550. So that is again one more valid reason for us to believe that 550 would be the resistance for some time in the stock until and unless it crosses and closes very decisively above 550. Another reason is that in market profile, as you can see, the poor high is 550, which is in this region, right? So somehow if it is able to cross this point of control, which was tested many times, so the poor high based on the past value areas, 550 is the poor high. So basis on this particular reason, your option chain and the price action, if Bharti Airtel opens above 535 and sustain till 920 925, then you can go long and you will have to book your profits at 550 if you enjoy trading only in buying. For my traders, those who like to short also, if Bharti Airtel opens below 535 and unable to cross 535, then you can sell 550 call option. That would be another good opportunity. And the support is 516, that is for sure. 516 is a very good support in Bharti Airtel, which is unlikely to break in next week or so. And 550 is a good resistance which is unlikely to break in a week or so, right? So we'll keep watching Bharti Airtel. So there are very clear cut levels. I have mentioned the levels here for you, right? So you can make a note of it. Now the another reason to believe is that Bharti Airtel is having a resistance of 60 exponential moving average, which is at 536, and today closing was 534 and today's high was 538. So in case if it is closes sorry, in case if it is, if it the Bharti Airtel is opening above 535 tomorrow and sustains, it means it is taking a support of 60 EMA, then 550 would be a very good opportunity for us to book the profit. So 15 rupees or would be the journey in the stock. Similarly, being an unbiased view, right? If it is unable to cross 535 tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow, or any particular day, until unless it closes above 535, see, you will have to make a very important note that you will have to look at the price, what I'm telling, on a closing basis also. During the day, it may go up, it may cross 535, come down, and again closes below 535. It means there is no sustainability in the stock. It is feeling the resistance of 60 EMA and the consolidation. So 535 is a resistance come support. It is that kind of a band. So stock is having a resistance of 60 EMA as well, along with a sideways channel. If we see the weekly chart, in weekly chart, if you see the white line, it is having a resistance of 20 weeks exponential moving average, which is again 532. So 20 weeks exponential moving average, and in on daily chart 60 EMA, and in price section this band 535. So 535, 532, 536, this is a sure short resistance for Bharti Airtel. So any particular day, if it able to open above 535 and sustain till 925, 930, then 100% we should see 550 as a long range. So they're very absolutely fantastic levels in Bharti Airtel. Now the second stock I would like to discuss with you quickly is BHEL. See, BHEL is again showing a sign of a breakout of the intersection. I always discuss only intersection kind of a theories in my channel, right? So BHEL is giving a breakout of this intersection, which is the lower channel, and it gave a very good price action. It took the support of 60 EMA, it took the support of, it break out 20 EMA, and it closed above this resistance band, right? Support come resistance band. And if BHEL, if you see tomorrow or day after tomorrow, another day, subsequent day closing above 47, then you can go long in BHEL and your target should be 57. 50 is a small resistance to the stock, correct? 50 is a small resistance as of now to the stock, which is 2.5 rupees from here. But if you hold patiently and if it doesn't break 47 on the lower side, if it's taking the support of 45, 47, then 57 should be the target from here. So I'm talking about close to 18 to 20% return. So this is a very patient hold, and as you can see, we have a resistance of this band GAN wave 8 bar 1, correct? So definitely this area is still a heavy resistance zone for BHEL. So with respect to the GAN wave 8 bar 1, or with respect to the price action horizontal band with resistance band 57, however, if BHEL has given a very good close today. So in case another day, subsequent day, if we see a closing above 47, then we should enter. My long-term investor people should enter in BHEL with the stop loss of 47 or 45 maybe, and I'm expecting 18 to 20% return here. So it's a good patient hold stock. Now the third and the last part we'll discuss is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty today gave us a very good clear-cut price action signal. See, Bank Nifty has been on an upward journey since I made the video. I made the video of 32,800 was my target. If you can check and go, uh, you can see my video on my channel whether Bank Nifty able to sustain the pullback or not. So when I made video, the Bank Nifty was at 31,762. My target was 32,800. Today Bank Nifty made a high of 32,784. Now I have asked in that video that Bank Nifty might give you little correction, but the correction will not come in terms of the fall. It is now Bank Nifty is in a very tight range of 1000 point. Bank Nifty is in the range of 31,989 to 32,999. or 33,000, I could say. 33,000, say 32,000, just to make a round figure. So now Bank Nifty is having a resistance at 32,000 and a good support at 31,000. So Bank Nifty is having this 1,000 point zone, correct? If Bank Nifty is able to close above this price band, which is 33,011, then the next target, the next resistance for the Bank Nifty is 33,585. 33,585. However, 33 33,011 or 3370 is a good resistance for the Bank Nifty as of now. So Bank Nifty might take some resistance there and come back, but it is not a correction. You will see it is in a sideways zone. You see the Bank Nifty has spent some time in a similar zone here. So Bank Nifty might again spend some time in this zone. So we'll have to see if Bank Nifty is able to give us a closing above 33,100, 33,100, then 33,585 is our next target for the call side. So I've given you Bharti Airtel, BHEL and Bank Nifty. So hope you have made the note of all these levels, correct? Keep watching my channel Technical Analysis, the Unbiased View. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you. Bye bye.